Hello everyone. I hope all of you are doing well. And actually, I just wanted to share a quick video with you guys regarding my speech journey with this Pro 90D speech system that has not only transformed my speech but transformed my entire life. So, this is one of the best programs, or I should say, the best program that I have encountered, the best speaking programs that I have encountered, and I'll explain it. I'll explain the reason why I'm saying it's the best. So, I'm 19 years old right now, and I have struggled with my speech for my entire life. Sometimes pretty severely, struggling with saying my name, struggling saying even one word of a single phrase of a single conversation. And after I started working on this program, it has been more than an year since I have been working on this program, and I have seen such amazing results, amazing transformations in my speech and in my entire life. And now I go out, I want to speak more because I enjoy speaking and I know the importance of excellent communication skills. Now it's easy for me to speak. I love to speak now. I want to make more phone calls. I want to go out. I want to speak more. I have seen such an amazing transformation in myself that is not easy to express in words, I believe. This is what makes this program unique, as it aims to make you an excellent, amazing, superior speaker, not just to help you not get stuck. It's not even a goal of this program. And Mr. Michael himself used to struggle with his speech. He transformed himself, became an excellent speaker. He has helped many of his students become superb, excellent speakers. And he knows what is in our minds right now and how to change it, how to make ourselves an excellent, amazing speaker. So, this was the best decision of my life to enroll into this program, and I can almost ensure you that this would be the best decision of your life to enroll into this amazing speech program. And I just can't express this system in words. That's how amazing it is, based on science, based on habit development. When you focus on the right thing, when you keep working, you get all of the results that you have been looking for. Now I see the successes. Now I see how amazing this speech, how amazing this life is. And I hope you would get the same. So enroll into this program if you haven't already. If you want to make a transformational change into your speech, that would make a transformational change into your life. So I hope I was able to make some sense right here. And yes, that would be it. And God bless you all. And I hope to see you soon. Bye.